Each BDI standing desk includes adjustable and programmable height controls that allow you to keep yourself in motion with periods of sitting, standing, and healthy movement throughout your workday. In this quick video, we'll walk you through some of the basic adjustment, safety, and troubleshooting features of the BDI Standing Desk Digital Keypad. To program up to 4 height presets, use the up-down buttons until you reach your desired height. Then press the BDI button followed by the number on the keypad you wish to assign the height to. You'll want to do this when initially setting up your BDI standing desk, after a loss of power, or when troubleshooting. First, press and hold the down button until the desk reaches its lowest height. Release the down button. Press and hold the down button again until the LED display reads ASR. Release the down button. Press and hold the down button again until the desk lowers a little further, then slightly rises and stops. This safety feature is especially useful if you have small children and prevents the desk from moving until the keypad is unlocked. To lock the keypad, simply press the BDI button for about 8 seconds until the display reads LOC. The keypad is now locked. To unlock the keypad, press and hold the BDI button for about 8 seconds until the display switches from LOC to the height setting. The keypad is now unlocked. For additional features and advanced settings for your BDI Standing Desk Digital Keypad, please follow the links in this video's description below or visit bdiusa.com/lift to download your desk's user manual today.